Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Aslam Al Hindi and you are learning SolidWorks, and today we are going to discuss about the motion study in SolidWorks. And we have taken this slide, and here is the stay for the ball, and here is a ball. And let's first give some colors to these components. I'm opening up the part from here. I can do that directly, but I want to show you it from here. Go to the edit appearance, and yeah, I'm giving it pink color, clicking OK, and just close it from here. It will ask for saving it up, and click yes. And from here, if it doesn't reflect the change that you did to the part separately, if that is not reflected here, you just go to the rebuild. It is just like the refresh in your keyboard on your desktop screen. It's a lot similar to that. Then now let's go for the ball and open it up in its part form, and editing the appearance for this ball, and making this sky blue in color. I'm doing this for better visibility, saving it up, and now you can see the change has been reflected here. Now we have to go for the motion study and picking it upward. On this point you can see there are only two options, the animation and the basic motion, and we want to make a motion analysis. So for that, go here, click on this, and click on add-ins, and then click on SolidWorks motion. You don't need to make it start at the startup. We are just starting it right now, clicking OK, and now you can see the motion analysis has appeared, and this is the study that I created. So let's try doing with it once again. You can see how it's happening. This is happening under the effect of gravity. This is all happening due to gravity and due to the collision of the ball with this surface. So you can see how the surface is moving, how the ball is moving from when it roll down from the top, and in this goal how it's moving, you can see it here. So this is the motion behavior of an element that you can see in SolidWorks. It's just finished. So it will be the final point of the ball, and you have seen the trajectory of this ball. So let's start a new motion study, so I could tell you how the things work. So I'm dragging it to 4 seconds, and now I'm going to add the gravity, and this is the gravity. Okay, this is the gravity, and I have to give the direction for the gravity. And in this model of mine, first of all, let me show you it from the front. This is from the side. Yeah, from the side you can see this edge is purely vertical, and I had kept it so that I can provide the direction for the gravity. Clicking on this, these are the parameters of the gravity. This is the value of gravity, which you fully understand. Clicking OK. So the gravity has been applied, Okay, and now switching it off. Now the next thing is yeah, contact. So I have to show what kind of contact, setting it to motion analysis. I'm terming them as solid bodies. So move like this and select both of them, clicking OK, and now the gravity is taking effect and they are solid bodies. Now I have to calculate the effect of gravity over this ball and how the ball goes. This is the calculator button, so clicking on the calculate, now you can see I'm trying to show you how it's happening. Yeah, and you can see this is how it's happening in SolidWorks. So once the calculation has been done, I can simply play it. I want to place it at a position where from you can easily see how it's happening. Okay, placing it here, starting the play, you can see, and here you can see. Yeah, this is the way the ball is moving in the slide and in this tub after the slide, and so you can basically see the movement, you can see the behavior, you can analyze the motion of the elements with respect to each other in the SolidWorks motion analysis. Yeah, it's done. So now let's try to take some spiral kind of spiral kind of slide. So okay, let's take a new part. I'm taking a new part and using the top plane, and instead of taking a circular spring when seen from the top, I'm taking this kind of spring. Let me give the dimensions. This one as 200 and this one as 120. Okay, now go to the features and go to the curves and check the helix and spiral. Oh, it's not. It's not accepting this. Let's just keep this open and go to the features, go to the helix and spiral. Okay, it's saying that it should contain only a circle, and it's not going to work over this. So we can change this into a circle. We can make this 200 and now for the helix and spiral. Oh, anyways, let's just delete this figure and take a simple circle of 200 mm diameter. Now taking the height and pitch, let's take the height as 500 and the pitch as 100. Clicking OK. Now let's see another thing. Let's keep the start angle as we have to start the sweeping from either this point or this point, and these points should be present on any of the planes. So it's not present on the right plane, it's perhaps it's present on the front plane. Okay, it's present on the front plane, so it's all right. So let's take the front plane, and now let's create a sketch here. Taking the mid plane, and let me try to choose for this, and I'm making them pirates. Okay, and now I'm giving them the dimensions. I'm taking this as 20 millimeters, this as 5 millimeters, and again I should add the guides in the side so that the ball doesn't slip from the floor, and again keeping this as 5, this one also as 5 millimeters, and I'm going to use this for sweeping operation. This 20, this one also 20 millimeters, and now trimming the extra portion. Yeah, done. And now I can go for the swept bars. So swept profile, which should have selected this. Yes, sketch 2, and this is our sketch 1, and this is the way it will start. Clicking OK. Yeah, done. And I have to just hide this helix. So this is what has happened with our helix, and now we can either add yeah, it is on the front plane, or it is also on the top plane. So let's take the top plane. Now you can see that you can't do your drawing from the top, neither from the bottom, so you can go for the section view, and now make it a bit upward so you can fully see what is happening here, and you can fully relate seeing from the top, starting from this point and going up to this point. yeah, make this as 30. I'm taking a square and now extrude it downwards by 5 millimeters. Merge the results, and now click on here, started the new sketch, and go for the offset and place the offset value as 0. Click on the surface and press the enter. Done. So we have got the outline, and again select this square, go for the offset and make it 5 millimeter offset, and reverse the offset. Click OK. So this is what we needed, and now we have to remove this extra portion, this one also, because we have to join it with this. Go for the trim entities, go for the cornering, click on this and this, again this and this, clicking OK. So showing the appearance of red color is showing that things are too much over defined, so I'm deleting this, and they are under control now. They are fully defined now. Let's delete these extra points. So let's extrude it, and we can extrude it up to this vertex, clicking OK. Done. Let's save it, making it part number 3, and switching off the cut section view, and now let's start a new assembly. And now let's import or insert the ball, and let's place the ball somewhere here. Let me show it from the top. We have to align it properly, so using the top I have aligned it here. I have placed it here. Go for the front, and you can't see anything from the front, so go for the back. From the back you can see it is submerged in the slide, so move it up a bit upward, and now you can see it from the side. Perhaps you may not be able to see something from the side, so let's go for the hidden lines visible. You can see this is the line and it is still merged, so you are not able to work from this side. So anyways, go for the back and move it, yeah, just like this. Now let's start our operation, the motion study. Go for the motion analysis, and then choose for the gravity, and let me take the front, the right, So yeah, you can see, as you can see, this is perfectly aligned with the vertical plane, this line. So I'm checking this as the gravity, and you can see the gravity is showing upwards, so I have to make it go downwards. Clicking OK, and then let's select the contacts, solid bodies, and choose both of them. Clicking OK, and now let's calculate how it goes. It will be taking some time. Still it is a bit hanging. Maybe we have taken too much large quantity. Yeah, you can see this is moving. So yeah, you can see the ball is coming. This is the ball, and you can see it is coming like this. And now let's see what happens when it comes here. It is colliding with the surfaces, and it's the final position of the ball. So we can now play the animation, and it is moving a lot fast. So you can run it at 0.1 x speed, so things may be visible to you. You can see this is how it's moving, and you can see it is moving along this outer wall because of the centripetal force. Yeah, it's here, and this is the final destination. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.